After the buddings and flowering of peace lily, we have to do a lot of work. The care of the plant is very important, friends. And you see, they have become like this now after the flowering is over. So these are 3 flowers here, and in another pot also there are 3 flowers which have gone bad completely, burnt because they were in the direct sun. So we have to remove these, and we have to take care of the foliage also. As the plant grows, the old foliage leaves, they start looking bad, so we got to remove them. So quickly I'll remove these foliage, bad foliage from the plants, and show you. I was trying to remove the stems or the dead leaves with my hand, but I had to take the help of scissors because some of the leaves stems have become very, very hard. Now we'll remove these bad gone flowers of peace lily, and we have to cut them from the base only. Keep the plants inside, indoors, once the plant has flowered completely, friends, because then it lasts longer. I was trying with my hands, but some of the old leaves stems are so hard that I couldn't do it, so I had to take the help of the scissors. The idea is just to remove the old and decaying leaves from the plant so that the energy goes into the new shoots now. Since the plant is propagating itself inside the pot, it needs more energy. So if we remove the old foliage, the complete energy will go into the new shoots and the new plants which are being propagated by the plant. While cutting the old leaves, you will find some new baby leaves also which are coming from the baby plants this big mother plant is propagating. These 3 flowers are looking quite okay, and they will last longer because I'm going to keep the plants indoors now, completely indoors, not even in veranda, because this is an air purifying plant, friends. And look at the new flower coming from there. You see the white spot? This is the flower, and it will take about a week to come up like a petal, like a white petal. The old leaves which are burnt from the sides or catching fungus, we can cut them like this. While cleaning, we'll notice the new young shoots coming from the center. This is how the plant propagates, friends, and the new baby plants are made. Cleaning the plant is also very, very important. In fact, this should be done properly to this peace lily plant. It's an air purifying plant, so it collects the dust very well. Means that's how maybe it purifies the atmosphere and purifies the air. So timely cleaning of the foliage is very important. You can take a damp cloth or a duster or anything and clean the foliage with that. We have to clean the flowers also because they also gather some dust. So after cleaning they look nice and more white. So from outside and from inside. Friends, again I am in my kitchen, you can make out, because that's the best place I find to work on the single plants. I have finished cleaning the plant, the foliage, the stems and the flowers. So from backside of the foliage also the cleaning is important because that's the place where the insects or any bugs attack. So these flowers from the backside are looking better now, and as they get matured we see that they start getting greenish. Initially when the flower is young, that time it is white, and as it starts getting matured it starts becoming greener. Our next care tip is composting the plant or put little fertilizers. Compost itself doesn't have much fertilizers in this as such, but it does the work of mulching also, and it provides a little bit of nutrition to the plant. As the new shoots are coming up, this mulching and this composting will help to do it that. If the roots of the plant are showing little bit on the top, then it's important that we push the mulching towards the root side or towards the center side so that the roots are protected nicely. So I'll fertilize the other pot also. So fertilizing is over, or mulching or composting is over, we can say, and this is done for the next month now. Next month when the new shoots or new plants, new propagation have come up, then we'll add some more fertilizers. In this pot the roots are showing little more, so we'll push the mulching towards the center where the roots are showing. See, these are the roots which are showing, so we got to cover these. So this is done. So that's how we care the plants once the flowering is almost over. We'll keep the flowers, the peace lilies indoors only now to purify the air, because this is no time to keep them outdoors, as the sun is very harsh, the temperatures are rising, and they have to be kept inside only.